Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we are going to clean all of this. I'll take everything down, wipe everything up, and decorate it. Change this because little by little I started messing around up here, and I said, you know what, let me decorate this and let me record it. All right guys, so that's what we are going to do. Before I continue, guys, this video is part of the open collaboration. Let's get it done, or let's just get it all done. Guys, you guys know that this is my sand greenery for the longest, because what I do is I take it down, I fill up my sand with hot water, and I rinse it out really good, and it comes out like brand new. So that's what we're gonna do. You know, I'm in a budget, I'm a penny pincher. So yeah, and now with everything at Dollar Tree going up, it's way too much. You know what? This book's been up here. I guess this is when they install stuff in this apartment. So yeah, maybe I put them back, or maybe I throw them out. I don't know. But yeah, it feels like a little greasy because I don't have any oh, like I said, this video is part of the open collaboration. Let's get it done. And this is hosted by the Prather Live, and it's every Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 2 p.m. Central Time. I mentioned in one of the other videos, last week video, 6 p.m. No guys, it's not 6 p.m. But anyways, I'm going to leave her information in my description box below, so you guys can go and check her out. Guys, I took this stuff out over here. Now I'm going to take the sides down, and I will have to climb up here, even though I have my little ladder. But I'm going to take everything, and I'll bring you guys right back. And then we're going to move on from there. I always tell you guys, clean even what you don't see, because you know it needs to be clean. I mean, I am a renter. It doesn't mean because I rent an apartment, I'm not going to clean up here. I don't know how long I'm going to be here. I've been here going on 4 years now. So you want to make sure you keep it clean, and you give something the same way that you got it. The same way you got it, you give it back. When I moved in here, I did my own inspection with one of the maintenance guys here. I even inspected up here, it was clean. I inspect everything with one of the maintenance people here to make sure the thing was the right way, and they don't blame me after I move out. So that's the same way I want it returning. So always remember that. Ooh, this is greasy. It's been a while, guys, since I cleaned up here. It's been maybe since last, wow. Last Let me take off my socks because I don't want to slide off the counter and get hurt. So yeah, my husband gets mad because I do this when he's not here, but he won't let me do it when he's here. So oh. Of course, make sure that you don't spray you have lights. Make sure you don't spray your lights. So there was no. Pretty rough. As you can see, this nasty cloth. You cannot see it from close, so there you have it. It looks pretty gross, but it's all clean. So let me throw this in the trash. I wiped it all down. I fixed the lighting. Now I'm going to wash this stuff that I have up there, but that's pretty greasy. That's gonna go back up. I don't know, it depends. My coffee pots are gonna, my coffee pot collection, part of it is gonna go up. But I think I want to put the my Vantage plates that I got, that I have kept up there. I used to keep them in the other house like that, so hopefully I could put them up and they'll stay up, because I cannot find my tray holders. So I'm gonna figure it out, and I'm going to see what I could do to put them up there. I don't know, guys. I really don't know, because in the other house I had more space between the ceiling and the cabinets, and I have actually the plates, the dinner plates. Here I don't have enough space, so I'm using the bowls, but I only have a certain amount of bowls. So I may have to put some greeneries here. Here, I'm not putting no greenery here, just here and here in the corners. I'm going to do that. I'm going to wash my greenery, and then I'm gonna bring you guys right back. But that's what so far the idea that I'm having with, that I'm going with. Oh gosh. I got one more bowl. I'm trying to figure it out. Maybe I put it there. I'm not gonna put it over there. I think I'm gonna put it. This is a pain in the neck. Because I'd rather have this bowl there, this one there, and this one there the same at each corner. Oh, Maron. All right, let's try that. Let's try that. a minute, what was I thinking? That one there, that one over there. All right, now I'm confused. That one there, which is the same thing as this one. This one's got to move over there. Okay, then this one. All right. Whew, got it. Oh my gosh. Got it, got it, got it. Oh my goodness. I am exhausted just by doing this little bit. But we're gonna get it done. We are going to get it done. These are from the Goodwill. These are from Cracker Barrel. I have some like this in blue, but I thrifted them. All right. And yes, these ones are blood red, but I like them because these ones also are red too, but they're vintage red, so it's okay. I just wanted to bring a little bit of red, my favorite red color up here. I mean, red is red, you know what I mean? But I think we got it, by golly. Yeah, I got my three teapots back there holding, well, they're not holding this, but they're holding the other plates up. That's all right. I'm not gonna stress myself anymore. I think I want to add greenery back there. It looks such an empty space back there. I did wash my greenery. So I want to add the grapevine. I want to add this one. I do have just all green and the ivy, but I want to add the grapevine because that's what I have on this too. So hopefully I don't go through another half an hour here trying to add this back here. All right, let's see. Let's see, guys, let's see. Oh. Let's stand back. Oh my goodness. Let me stand back and look how it looks. All right, guys, let's see how that looks. Simple, but it's fine. Yeah, let me straighten up the kitchen because I made such a big mess down here. So let me straighten up the kitchen and then you guys gonna see it completely straighten it up, okay? Well, I want to start by thanking the host for hosting this collaboration every Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 2 p.m. Central Time, I believe. I can't remember that time, but I know it's at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, so this is what it looks like. I put my lights to be on the red mode. You guys know, a lot of you guys, those that follow me, red, pink are my favorite color. And I'm starting to like lavender and purple, but not as much as pink and red. But yeah, guys, this is what my top of the cabinet looks like. And another, I was thinking, I always save my paper bags from the store. So what I'm going to do, not this time, but I'm going to take the paper bags. I'm going to measure the top of the cabinet. I'm going to cut it and lay it on the top. So like that, all I have to do is take that off and throw it away. That's an idea. So yeah, guys. So this is what the top of my cabinet looks like. Okay. So let me turn off. Sorry for the movement. Let me turn off the lights. I think that's cute. Simple. I got rid of some greenery. I gotta buy some new greenery. Even though the other one is still good, but I'm going to utilize it somewhere else in the apartment. But guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and I do too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye.